Key to an organization's success when implementing a pull system might be within the people at your organization. Cross-training is a tool used by many organizations' leadership to improve both team and performance-based organizational success. It also has a profound impact on an individual's skill set. Cross-training, very simply, is when an employee is trained to proficiently perform multiple tasks in roles outside of their current responsibilities. This gives them the ability to use multiple machines, work in multiple processes, and be rotated throughout an organization. For example, teams in a cellular environment are not generally large. In these types of team-based environments, it is very realistic for an employee to be able to perform every job function within the cell. Cross-training becomes a must when implementing a pull system. Without it, you will have a difficult time balancing lines to meet your customers' demand. Another challenge is that once the skill is learned, the organization must find ways for the employees to maintain these newly developed skills. A best practice in successful cross-training efforts is to have regular job rotations so that the skills can remain fresh in their employees. It is absolutely essential that leadership, management, supervisors, and employees at all levels are innovating some type of cross-training program before moving forward with pull system implementation. We'll see you in the next module.